Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel at Finance Business Partner. In our last video, we discussed advanced conditional formatting and we decode the issues faced people in conditional formatting in our previous video. If you want, you can go back and see this tutorial over there. Now we are raising the bar and adding the filter and subtotal function in our conditional formatting. These are a very powerful combination, and you can say it's a deadly combination if you know how to utilize subtotal and filter functions with conditional formatting. Your reporting skills will be increased by 10 times. So and it will be a very boost for everyone, and everyone knows that this is a very powerful function, and how we utilize these functions together. Now we are going again. The logic say that I'm saying that my sales should, if my sales is greater than 2000, so I just click it over here, my sales, which is H7, greater than sign, and then greater than 2000. So it would be true. Okay. Now I5, I will put it as a uh, freeze because I want it is a combination of cell referencing, which I told. This is now, if you see, I4 will remain same, but H column, it is relative, it is H13 versus I5. It will remain same. I5 will remain same. Okay. So far we haven't done anything, which is it's a continuation of the last conditional formatting. So what we are doing this, if you go with the sum, it gives you a very powerful function over here. Now something which I would like to give you an idea that there's a powerful function for subtotal. You go over here, you write it subtotal. It will give you the uh, formula tab, and then make it tab. Now it will give you an idea that what you want with the subtotal. You can do it by average, count, maximum, minimum, product, some anything. But now we will go into the sum. We will select this one, 9, and then select our sales from here. Okay. So far we have applied the same logic over here, and if you see, my sales is same what I have applied it over here, like this one. Okay, 52070, and this one same. There's no difference between these two because I have not applied any filter, anything, so the difference is nil. Now we apply the same logic over here, which what we did in the conditional formatting, that whatever row is true, it will be give me distinct formatting. I will go into the home tab, apply conditional formatting, new rule, go into the formula bar, come over here. Now the main important thing is the combination of relative cells and cells, which I told you. So column will, I have to make the column freeze and static, you can say, and raw should be relative. So my column should be absolute and raw should be relative. So I will select it over here between H7 and apply F4 one time. It will freeze raw and column together. Second, when I apply, it will freeze the raw, and then third time is the column. Now my criteria is okay, that column is absolute, raw is relevant, related, and here I5 is, it will remain frozen, but with the raw and column. I5 cell, I will apply the logic over here. Yellow, I want exception reporting. Then over here, whatever is the true, it will give me the idea that this has been done. Okay, so it has been highlighted. Now if why we apply this conditional formatting, because we want that we want some exception reporting for our management, that these are the area which we need to which has been highlighted, that these are the sales which are greater than 2000. Some of the sales say that I put it 1875. It will apply to everything. 500, 630. So I change some logics over here. Okay, now if it is true, I don't want it is as good as in, but my exception report and my criteria is that why this sales is less than 2000. So my exception report is for this purpose is less than 2000 what I am doing. Now, when I select it over here, go to the home tab, data tab in fact, go to the filter and then go filter by color. I want not I don't want yellow, I want no fill because it is false and my criteria should be false in that exception reporting. So I applied over here. You see that all these sales is less than 2000. Now it looks very good. The total of these sales is 10,167. It is 8 counts. So there's a formula also which I applied it over here. Say that how many cases are like this. So I will apply here. When I copy it, it didn't give me anything because it is sum. When I go over here, when I put it three, if you see three, which is count, so it will give you number of counts 8. As I told you, these are the number of counts 8. So it's a you see that in the reporting of say that it is say that more than 5000 rows, your exception reporting is for 200 plus items are exception. So you just put it over here and then it will show you the subtotal of that 8 exception reports and how many counts count over here. Now one more important thing which I would like you people to understand, that whenever we print this report, it looks very bad to me that the serial number is should be in ascending order 1 2 3 4, because these are 8 items, because and it is showing it hide the rows which are not fulfilling the criteria which I have applied it over here. So how to fix this issue? This is a very important thing and most of the people are not aware of it. Now we will apply it and you will see the function how we do it this together. Now, you know this function of subtotal, which I have applied it over here. It has 20 rows. I apply the same logic over here. Let's just copy it, go into the subtotal here. Now, with this one, what I will do is first row, I will take D7 together, okay, and then freeze D7 for once. It will, it didn't change anything, and then it will give, when I click it, double click it over here, it is, then it will give you the counting of the same numbers. There is nothing changed on the face of it, but the logic why I apply it, you see the magic of it when I apply the filter function here like this. When I put here, now it shows you the serial numbers accordingly, which is very important function in our reports. Why this true is coming, I'm just putting it over here. I want only false in this criteria. It should, this should not come. Let me check my reporting. Is 20 is coming or not? Okay, this is okay. Now we just want true, say that it is coming 12 cases, 12 cases, and it gives you the numbers till 12. You see these 12. So this is a very important function. Now what you just need to do, just have to copy your report and send it to management and copy it, that all the sales which is more than 2000 are 12 distinct characteristics, numbers, 12 counts, and then the sales amounts to 34,715. This is the subtotal of 44,000 now, and the exception reporting showing you 34,000. So this subtotal function with combination of this filter and conditional formatting is a very powerful tool. I would suggest you people to apply, and please let me know with your comments. Thank you.